tell you the rules of integers of multiplication. Positive multiply by positive, positive. Negative multiply by negative, positive. Positive multiply by negative, and negative multiply by positive. The answer is negative. Thank you.
Myself Kaveri Hemant Gaikwad. Today I am tell you rules of integers. Positive upon positive. Negative upon negative, positive upon negative upon positive, negative. Thank you.
Myself Shraddha Vak. Today I will tell you about sign of integer. Positive plus positive, positive. Negative plus negative, negative. Positive plus negative, negative plus positive. Depend on bigger number.
Answer depend upon
Bigger number.
multiplication.
Positive into positive, positive. Negative into negative, negative. Positive into negative, negative into positive, negative.
Sir, मैं तो थर्ड वाला बोलूं. My name is Bhumika Patil. Today I am telling you the rules of integer. Positive plus positive, positive, negative plus negative upon negative, positive,
Positive plus positive addition division काय आहे? कोणतं?
division
डिव्हिजन बोल ना. डिव्हिजनला काय म्हणतो आपण?
upon positive upon positive, positive, negative upon negative, positive upon negative upon positive, negative.
Myself Janvi. So today we will see the rules for adding integers. Positive plus positive, positive. Negative plus negative, negative. Positive plus negative, and negative plus positive. Answer may be positive or negative, and it also depends on the bigger number. Thank you.
चला बोल. आता